So plus of minus is of minus, we have to subtract the greater minus least, that is 5 minus 3 is of 2x. To assess the sign for the 2x, we have to see the greater one among 5 and 3. Since 5 is greater than 3, 5 sign is of positive, so positive sign will be assessed to the 2x. Then that equals to simplification of the constants, plus 5 and plus 3, plus of plus is plus, we have to add up, 5 plus 3 is of 8, greater one among 5 and 3 is of 5, its sign is of positive, so positive sign will be assessed to the 8. So as per the next step, as per the last step in the rules of the solving the linear equation, the last step is of. So after transforming or writing the like variables on the left side and all the constants on the other hand, so we have to make the coefficient of the variable. So in our problem, variable is of x, we have to make the coefficient of the variable, that is x, as 1, but it is of 2. Its coefficient is of 2. In order to make the variable's coefficient, that is 2, as 1, so we have to divide either side, that is both sides of the equation, by means of this coefficient, that is 2. So 2x, which is of positive, must be divided by means of this coefficient 2 itself. So that is equals to, when we divide on LHS, similarly we have to divide on the RHS also. So here I got this logical step by dividing both sides, that is both sides of linear equation by means of 2. So dividing both sides of linear equation by means of 2, I got this logical step. Then now by further simplification, 2 ones in the denominator and 2 ones in the numerator. Similarly 2 ones in the denominator and 2 fours in the numerator. So here x ones is of x, x divided by 1 is of x, equals to 4 divided by 1 is 4. So in this manner I got x equals to 4 as the root of the equation. So here in this manner, so that implies x value is of 4. So x is equals to 4 is the root or the solution set. So here hence solution set is x is equals to 4 or in other words 4 is the root of the given linear equation. So in this manner we got the solution set as, so therefore the solution set so equals to, solution set implies x is equals to 4. So now let us, what I say, verify, that is the verification part. So in our verification part, the given equation is of 5x minus 3 equals to 3x plus 5, which is given, but our solution set is of x is equals to 4. So here at x is equals to 4, so we have to replace x by means of 4 in the given equation or the given linear equation. So here that implies, so 5 into x must be replaced by means of 4 minus 3 written as it is, then that is equals to 3 into x value is of 4, then now plus 5 written as it is. So that implies 5 fours is of 20 into bracket indicates into symbol minus 3, then that is equals to 3 fours is of 12, then now plus 5. So that implies 3 is of negative and 20 is of positive. To simplify, plus into minus is of minus, let us subtract. 20 minus 7 is 3 is of 17. To assess the sign among 3 and 20, 20 is greater than 3, that is 20 sign is of positive, so 17 assess the sign of positive. So 12 plus 5 is of 17, that is on right hand side, whose sign is of positive. The condition is true, because 17 is equals to 17, the condition is true, hence it is verified. Similarly, let us perform one more example, that is example number 2. So in this example, let us solve for x, let us solve for the another variable, that is p. In this case, the given equation is of 3p minus 2 overall divided by 7 minus p minus 2 overall divided by 4 is equals to 2. So this is the given linear equation. So here we have to solve for p, which is a variable in it. So p is degrees of 1, hence it will be called as a linear equation with variable as p. Solution starts now. The equation or the linear equation which is given for us is of 3p minus 2 divided by 7 minus p minus 2 overall divided by 4 is equals to 2. So this is the given linear equation. So in order to solve this, so here that implies we have to take LCM because these two are of fractions. 3p minus 2 overall divided by 7 minus p minus 2 overall divided by 4. These two are of fractions with denominator 7 and 4. 7 is an odd and 4 is an even number. So here LCM will be of odd into even, that is 7 4 is of 28. So numerator 3p minus 2 is written as it is. Then now denominator 7, number of times is of 4, 7 4s is of the LCM 28. Minus written as it is and numerator must be copied as it is, and that must be multiplied with the 4 number of times to the LCM to get the LCM. 4 7s is of 28. 4 7s is of 28. So that is equals to 2, which is on the right hand side is written as it is. So here we got this step by taking LCM for. So here by taking LCM of 7 and as well as 4. Then now next logical step will be of. So we have to multiply each and every term in the first bracket by means of 4. 4 into 3p and 4 into 2. Here also 7 into p once and 7 into 2 as the next. Then next logical step will be of 4 into 3p is of 12p, 4 3s is 12 minus 4 2s is of 8 within brackets minus. Then within brackets we have to insert this 7 or we have to multiply 7 with p minus 2. 7 into p is of 7p minus 7 into 2 is of 14. Overall divided by 28 written as it is, then that is equals to 2. That implies, so here 12 minus p, 12p minus 8 and as well as minus 7p minus 14 written as it is as the numerator. Then I want to transpose. So here divided by 28 is there on the left hand side. So I want to transpose by 28 to the right hand side. So here when it is divided by 28, when it comes over to the right hand side, it will multiply. Division symbol on the left hand side becomes into, on the other hand by. So here multiplied with this denominator, that is 28. I got this logical step by transposing, that is LHS term. So here by transposing LHS term, which is nothing but 28, which is in the denominator, to RHS. So here on RHS on right hand side, so it will multiply. So that is 2 is multiplied with 28. Then the next logical step will be of. So I am going to remove the brackets. So before the first bracket there is a positive sign, there won't be any sort of changes in their signs. So 12p minus 8 remains same. So before the 7p minus 14, so there is of negative sign, the signs inside the bracket will be changed as minus into 7p as minus 7p, then minus of minus will become plus this 14 as it is equals to 2 as 28 into 2 is of 56. Then now, so that implies, so I want to group the like terms p and as well as p, these two are of like terms 12p, then now minus 7p together, then constants minus 8 and as well as plus 14, minus 8 and plus 14 together equals to 56. I got this logical step by grouping the like terms. The latter by further simplification. So your like terms, that is 12p and 7p must be simplified, and at the same time constants 8 and 14 must be simplified. So that implies 7p is of negative and 12p is of positive, that is to simplify it further. So plus into minus is of minus, let us subtract. Greater minus least, 12 minus 7 is of 5p. To assess the sign among 7 and 12, 12 is greater, the sign is of positive. So 5p assess the sign of positive. In order to simplify the constants, so here it is of negative, 8 is of negative and 14 is of positive. Minus of plus is minus, subtract. Greater minus least, 14 minus 8 is of 6. So here to assess the sign here, we have to see the greater one among these two. 14 is greater than 8. 14 sign is of 8. So sign possessed will be of plus sign. Then that is equals to 56 written as it is. So 5p plus 6 is equals to 56 as the next logical step. So 5p plus 6 equals to 56. On further simplification, so I want to write as a 5p, I want to transpose, so here 6 which is on the left hand side to the right hand side. So right hand side consists of only 56 equal to 56 written as it is. Now I am going to transpose plus 6 on the left hand side over to the right hand side. So it becomes plus 6 as minus 6 on the right hand side. I got this logical step. So here by transposing, that is LHS term, plus 6 to RHS, so as to become minus 6. Then now by further simplification, that implies 5p equals to 6 is of negative and 56 is of positive. To simplify further, plus into minus is of minus, subtract 56 minus 6, greater minus least is of 50. When we subtract 6 from 56, we will get 50. But to assess the sign of 50, among 56 and 6, 56 is greater, its sign is of positive, so it assesses the sign of positive. So as the last rule, so here we have to make the variables coefficient as 1, but in our problem, so here variable that is p, its coefficient is 5. To make the variable that is p's coefficient as 1, so we have to divide both sides by means of its coefficient itself, that is of 5. So divide both sides by means of 5, so 5p must be divided by the same 5, and at the same time right hand side also must be divided by means of same 5. We got this step by dividing both the sides, that is both sides of a linear equation, both sides by means of 5. So now further step will be off. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled because there is into in between 5 ones, and here 5 ones and here 5 tens are. So here 1 into p is of p, that is equals to 10 by 1 is nothing but 10. So here therefore the root of an equation or the solution set. So here therefore solution set equals to solution set, that is p is equals to 10, or the 10 is nothing but the root of an equation. So here therefore or 10 is the root of the linear equation. So here hence solution set is of p value is of 10. Then now let us verify. So here verification starts now. In our verification, put p is equals to 10, which is the root of an equation in the given linear equation, whereas given linear equation is of 3p minus 2 overall divided by 7 minus p minus 2 overall divided by 4 is equals to 2. So this is the given linear equation. So here at p is equals to 10, so here 3 into, so p must be replaced by means of 10. Since p equals to 10 is the solution set or the root, we have to substitute p as 10 minus 2 overall divided by 7 minus, so bracket begin, so p value is of 10 minus 2 overall divided by 4 is equals to 2. So that implies 3 tens is of 30 minus 2 overall divided by, so here 7 minus 10 minus 2 is of 8 overall divided by 4, then that is equals to 2. We can simplify here further, 4 ones 4 twos, then now that implies 30 minus 2 is of 28 overall divided by 7 minus just 2, that is equals to 2. Here we can simplify it as 7 ones and 7 fours are, so that implies 4 minus 2 is equals to 2, but 4 minus 2 is of 2, then that is equals to 2. The left hand side and right hand side quantities are equal, the condition is true. Since the condition is true, hence it is verified.